Okay, guys, just to give you an idea of the condition of some of the parts that was sent up for the Mission Impossible build. I'm not saying anything bad about Tony, but I don't know what he was thinking, because yeah, these are the right number, but they've already got welding done to them. Yeah, okay, I understand, fill the exhaust crossover, but I'm not really sure what he's doing here. And you have to be careful when you weld iron, because it starts to twist the whole head around. Okay, you can see the casting number, 675. You can see the guides have already been knurled, so they're all shot. Yeah, that has to be redone. In reality, I can see why Andy was like, no, we're not going to use these. Just the welding on them is going to... sorry, not doing it. Not using it on something this important. Sorry, guys, I had you upside down. Can't win them all.
Ugh.
Yeah, they're outside. They're outside now. We're out in the rain right now.
This worries me. This worries me. And here worries me. This worries me. How long has this been sitting outside? I wouldn't put this in anything I cared about. I wouldn't put this in anything at all, ever. I wouldn't put this in anything that runs.
All right, you got the word right from Carla. She knows.
Look, come on. My hands are clean. I don't know about this. This is like sketch. Look in the inside of these. Get that? Look how I don't know.
I don't know what he did.
It needs to be pressure washed.
It looks like somebody did do some porting on these at one time.
Yeah, but they're all screwed up. Look at this. It's just not.
Yeah.
This is something on the side. This is sticky. Check this out.
That's silicone. That's okay.
Why?
That's okay. That's okay. That's what they use to seal it.
Oof.
I just think it's interesting, guys. So, I want to thank Tim again for sending us a set of heads we were able to use. All right.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Little short video to show you the 260 to 670. Oh, I'm toast. 675. Let me tell you, DV worked us until we dropped. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Have a good night.